Today we'll be doing an open Achilles tendon repair, and our patient, you can see the back of his leg, is laying face down. So first we're gonna palpate, or we're gonna feel to see if we can feel where the rupture is. And can you feel where the gap
right
is?
here.
Yep, it feels right here. Open it up, and what do you see in there? Here.
No?
The nerve, yep, we don't want to cut that. Inside we see the paratendon, which is a layer that wraps around the tendon. So we're going to cut through that. So now we can see our ruptured Achilles tendon. And so we're going to pull it down, because usually it kind of springs up, and we want to sew it together. So now we're gonna just check our sutures. Yep. They actually have a modified technique. They put it over here.
It looks really strong.
It looks really strong. See, we closed up the paratendon layer, and now we're gonna close up the skin layer. Now we're gonna do the Thompson squeeze test, where you squeeze the calf. Oh, do you see the foot move? Yeah. So what does that mean?
It's not broken.
Yeah, well, yep, so it means that the tendon is well attached.
Mine.
So after this, they'll apply a cast, and then they have a lot of physical therapy so that they could get back to being active. Any questions? Do you want me to do the squeeze test on your leg?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, beautiful job.